Login failed on Current for Business fix. You're trying to log into your Current for Business account, maybe to pay an invoice or review your sales, but then you see the words no one likes, login failed. It's a frustrating moment, but the surprising truth is that this issue is almost always fixable in just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. Current's platform uses secure, real-time encryption, and if your network connection is unstable, the login process can fail instantly. Try switching to mobile data or restarting your Wi-Fi before logging in again. Next, open your App Store and confirm that you're running the latest version of the current app. Outdated versions may lose sync with their business server updates, which can cause failed logins or authentication timeouts. If you recently changed your password or phone number, make sure you're using your most up-to-date credentials. Many login errors happen when users accidentally type in old passwords saved by their phone's autofill. Now, if you're still locked out, it might be time to clear your app cache or reinstall the app. This resets all stored login data and allows you to reconnect to current servers cleanly. After reinstalling, log in using the same verified email and device. Also, Current sometimes requires additional verification when you log in from a new location or IP address. Check your email or text messages for a one-time verification code. That's often the missing step. If none of these work, it might not be your fault at all. Current occasionally performs short maintenance updates that temporarily pause logins for business users. These usually resolve themselves within 15 to 30 minutes. So, the next time your Current business login fails, don't worry. Take a breath, run through these quick checks, update, verify, reconnect, and your account will be back online in no time.